Hey kiddos, hey, it's Holly here. We're hanging out by the water. And today we're going to talk about these things. Froggies. Can you hear them back in the background? We're down the road from our place. And we're pretty much on somebody else's property, aren't we, Julia? But we're near the water. And those aren't bullfrogs. Do you hear them? They come out at night. Right when the sun's setting. They get a little louder and they like to call. And they're little tiny tree frogs that are about the size of a quarter. And they're actually the size of a postage stamp. Uh-oh, I lost my stamp. Anyway, they're really teeny frogs. They're not bullfrogs. And they're called spring peepers. And they make this sound. Just like that. It's like a peep. Isn't that cool? And they like to hang out low in bushes and low in the trees. And they certainly like to hang out around ponds and marshy areas like here. We have some over by our house, don't we, Julia? They're not as loud as here, though. They're a little louder over here. Of course, they get louder at this time of the night when the sun's coming down. So every time I walk down here, I hear them. And they're the early signs of spring. But they'll stick around until end of spring, and they'll stick around until summer. So, like all the newts and the amphibians, they'll be around for as long as there's water and it's wet. So, it's time for frogs, and it's time for things like tadpoles that come up from the ground and start growing. And a cool little project that you might want to do at home is, for one, try to hang out near some marshy areas and listen to the spring peepers. And also, you could do a little fun craft where you make a little tadpole like this. Just the body. Don't give them any arms or legs. But you could do this with construction paper or some foam. And then, with Mommy and Daddy, you can start putting on legs as the tadpole starts to grow into a real frog. So that's our little lesson for today. And I hope we don't get in trouble on somebody else's property, huh, Julia? Breaking all the rules. Okay, bye guys. Love you a lot. Take care and enjoy the quiet.